How to turn on chat hates on Messenger for iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on chat hates on Messenger for iPhone. So it won't be exactly like Android, but the chat will keep appearing on your home screen if you do this. For this, you have to go to the settings and then scroll down, tap on apps, and there search for Messenger. Go ahead and tap on it, and then for this you'll have to allow notifications. So tap on notifications and make sure lock screen, notification center, and banners, all of it is toggled on, and then go to banner style and then tap on persistent, and that's it. Now your messages will appear on your home screen as long as you don't swipe it away. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.